Hi, I'm Colin Ong, and I created a very short presentation targeted towards students who are thinking about career building. All right, so this is just a very quick guide. Please share. When you are talking to a student about career building, especially if the student is in upper secondary, right? You need to ask them, what do they think are their strengths and weaknesses, correct? So you can ask them to write, make it very general, give them a piece of paper, ask them to write. Don't lead them, make them write down a few, right? Maybe 3 strengths and 3 weaknesses. Next, this is important. How did they get these views about themselves? Is it through a test? Through someone close in your inner circle that told them? All right. And what you're trying to locate, teachers, what you're trying to locate is their bias. I think everybody has a bias. It's the way we're brought up. It could be because of faith, because it could be the way we look at life. It could be the music that we listen, the arts and culture that we are exposed to. So we are trying to find their bias. That's very important. And after you talk to them and they realize this is their bias, then you help them to build 10-year blocks with them. Means maybe from the age of 16 to 26, from 26 to 36, and 36 to 46. Ask them to seriously, maybe they can break up into groups to discover about where do they think that they are in terms of career in 10-year blocks. And another session with them, what do they think is failure? Can they accept failure? All right. How failure tolerant are they? And when we have this very good discussion with them, teachers, then you give them your own view of the future. The future, especially in career, future in terms of economics, future in terms of technology. And after that, when you leave that kind of impression in them, idea, tell them that you're always available for mentoring them. Okay? So go about doing this. And if you need more help in career building, please email me, Colin Ong TS at hotmail.com. Okay, take care.